Left foot's forward. Let's get those hands up. Right from the top, we're feeling the core engage with our defense, and we're working those arms. These targets are gonna keep coming at us like raindrops, so let's keep meeting them halfway. When it gets to be too overwhelming, hold on to your center and find one color to look into. Holding on to the core as we move. No matter if you're working on defense or rolling out these punches, stay firm on your stance. Hold it. Get ready to keep moving. Small steps with the feet. Any chance you get, I want you to breathe and exhale into these targets. We got a nice journey ahead of us. Upper, hook, block, hook. High-low jab. We got that slip jab coming in. Don't throw away those crosses. Pivot that backside and deliver with some power. Take it into southpaw. Deep breath in through the nose. And exhale. With every shot we're delivering, we're becoming more refreshed and more energized and ready for these targets. Check out how the body's responding to our slips and getting them ready for our targets when they come our way. Get ready to hold these hands up as we work our blocks. Stay tight in the center. Now relax the shoulders for me. What's making this move happen is the contraction into the abdominals, nothing else. And if you're ready to spice it up a little more, I invite you to step it for those jabs. Keep moving. Remember that breath we had? That was it. Orthodox stance. Stay with me. Hands up. You come this far, pro. Now let's go ahead and finish this thing.